So today we're going to go ahead and discuss how to use Twitter for educational chats or hashtag EdChats. First, we're going to go up here to the search button and we're going to search hashtag ditchbook. It's then going to link us to people who have either tweeted about the hashtag ditchbook, who ditchbook is located in their profile, and from there we're going to see people from around the world sharing their ideas of what has worked for them in the classroom, what hasn't worked for them in the classroom, what new innovative ways they're using in their classroom to ditch the book and move to a either technology-based classroom or pull the students out of a book and create a lesson that isn't just them reading and doing homework on their own. It's really cool to see everyone's different ideas. And if you're in the middle of an ed chat, it's really awesome because everything's coming live. Everything's coming in fast. Everyone's tweeting out their ideas and answering questions. And it's really cool to get information that quick on what you're looking for. Another awesome thing about Twitter is you can search pretty much any phrase. So I've searched California Common Core and it's going to bring up anything that has mentioned Common Core. So it gives us people who have it mentioned in their profiles again. She has a blog spot about Common Core standards, and it's just going to be anyone who's replied to anything about Common Core, whether they're from the California or they're from Florida or anywhere across the United States pretty much. And once again, it's what's working for them and what's not working for them in the classroom and how they're taking the Common Core standards and molding them to fit what they're doing in the classroom. Another fun thing you could do is you could try searching a book. So, for example, we can look up Romeo and Juliet. And let's see what it will bring up. You are going to get some things that aren't quite related to your search. You're going to get some things, pictures that don't quite exactly relate to Romeo and Juliet, but people give their opinion on and spin it in a way. And then from there, you can always follow the profiles of the people that they give you. So if you click her profile and you like her tweets and you like what she's sharing and you like the message that she's putting out there, all you have to do is click follow, and now all of her tweets will show up on the home page. And that is the end of our Twitter tutorial.